But if you sat in front of me, now I have said it in public, a Spitfire and a Mustang, and you said take your choice, which would you use? I'd sell them all and spend the money on seats, or that house in the Dunsfold, very, very
The one had the Allison, you know, it ran at a high level, so somebody at Rolls-Royce had the bright idea of nailing a Merlin on the front, and they made one of the greatest aircraft of all time. A Packard. Yes, Packard built that. Pretty well engines of the Packard
the RAF. They approached the North American Aircraft Company, who were making Harvards, and asked them if they could make C-40s, C-40 Tomahawks. They were told they could not only make them, but they could make something better, and they would make it quicker than it would take to tool up for the P-40s. So they placed an order in March 1940, and the prototype was rolled out 102 days later, and flew on 49 days after the flight. The original had 4 303 machine guns, plus 2 half-inch machine guns in the nose, and 300 were ordered in September 1940. As we said, with the Allison engine that it had to begin with, it ran out of puff at high level, so they put the Merlin in and absolutely transformed the aeroplane. The D model, they cut the back of the fuselage down, gave it the different section in, and bubble canopy, so visibility was better. And they gave it 6 half-inch Browning machine guns in the wing. They were a different generation. The Spitfire was designed in 1930s to be an aircraft that took off, got to altitude, shot bombers down and landed. It wasn't designed to be a long-range aircraft. The Mustang was, from the very beginning, using the lessons that have been learned on other aircraft earlier in the war. This is the last original 352nd fighter P-51 known. They flew nearly 60,000 combat hours in just 19 months. This one is believed to have scored 10.5 victories, a Mexican P-52. So, on the 17th of April, pilot Raymond Victor, in this aeroplane, Miss Helen, made 7 passes, destroying 3 Mexican 109s and 2 Mexican 262s on the ground, despite also having been hit by flags. So it really does have a combat victory role retired in 1984 in the Dominican Republic, where they were still being used, and of the last 10, 8 of them were sold to collectors in 1988 and are still flying. And incidentally, Steve Hinton Jr. is just about to go for the world airspeed record for piston aircraft in a modified Mustang, and they're looking to get it to 534. The sticky outy things you have on an airframe, the more drag you're going to get from them. And you also get drag from the shape of the airfoil and the shape of the fuselage. If you lower the drag, you go faster and you use less fuel, because your drag increases at the square of your speed. So twice as fast, 4 times the drag. So if you lower that somebody who's obviously enjoying his flying and who is very confident as well. Good display. Lovely John. Again, I think what we were saying earlier on, that it still sounds different to the Spitfire with the Merlin, the Hurricane and the Boultbee. They all sound slightly different.
That was the magnificent